Codie for Just Nailed It, and we are here with the Halloween Manny. We're going to be using the Reds and White Spiders by BRC Nails TipsXPieces.com. I'm an ambassador for Brady, so you can use my code SherieBaby10, SHEREEBABY10. Trying to find one of my little trays. Put my spiders in it. These are a red, beautiful. This is one of my glitter trays too. Sorry. That's what's laying about. Here are plates that we're going to use. This is by Shop Ants XL010. Let me see if I give you a good view of this. I love this plate. It's brand new. I've not used it yet. This is going to be my first time I'm using the stacked pumpkins right here. And this skeleton, I don't know if he's on a stack of money maybe, or a stack of books. It's kind of hard to say. We'll see. Then I'm using this one who does not show who it is by, but I'm going to use Just the Season to Be Spooky. And then the cat skeleton, I'm going to use that one right there underneath it. I'm going to take the spider web off of this plate. This plate is by Born Pretty, Halloween L004. So there's the spider web I'm going to take off there and put that on the pinky nail, I believe. This is by BP as well, L0078. This one I'm taking, what am I doing? Hold it the right, oh, that's the right way. My bad. Taking this double spider web right here. Cannot wait to use that. So that's what we're using. Oh, my stuff is going to fall. I got my sticky stamper by Modelones. It is reinforced, which means it will not cave in on you, which is a beautiful thing. I got my Modern scraper, our BRC nail product. Please check out BRC Nails Tips Pieces.com for all your Halloween needs. She's got some great things. I just released a video last week, and let me see, where am I going? And sorry, I'm having a brain fart. I just put lotion on and I can't get this open. She just released last week her Halloween line. So go to her website, check that out. Check out my video of my drop on it for my PR items. Good lordy. Instagram's kicking. I'm filming at an abnormal time of day for me. Normally I film really early in the morning when no one is awake yet. That's when I like to film. Anyways, it is 3:07 in the afternoon. Everybody's home. Well, except my son, he's at work. My brother's here. Everybody's here. Mom's here. Mom is here. There we go, there's our spider web. Our first spider web of the season. I should put, let me find it. We're going to put some Modern Jet Black on the spider web, because it's a sticky stamping polish. I'm going to tap this over the sides here so it's not getting all over my paper towel. Well, I bet that's my new vet texting too. I'm going to tap just a little bit more. I'm sorry I'm out of frame doing this, but I don't want to contaminate my area. Here is our spider, kind of sparkly. It's our first culprit. Let me look at my phone really quick to see if this is my mother. So our next nail we are going to do is going to be our skull and crossbones. These three all the nails except the, I don't know if you can even see these. All the nails except the orange one has glow in the dark on them. Let me see. I don't know if you can tell. Let me bring that close up. If you can tell there with the spider web. Ooh. These all have a little bit of glow. The liquid glow by She Modern. Love it. Okay, now we're going in with our skeleton and our stack of books. Make sure my image is covered. You don't need to cover the whole thing like that, but you know, I do. It's a beautiful pickup. Beautiful pickup. I think that might be money. What do you think? I don't know. It could be money. He died over money. Where is it? Oh, here it is. I'm also going to apply the glittery over this, the jet black pixie. Tap, tap. Wipe it off with your brush. This is definitely money. Definitely money. Whoops. Clean my plate. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, the next one is the middle nail. This is just these little season to be spooky.
Hey.
And filming.
What?
And filming.
What?
Alright, we're gonna go in with our Tis the Season to be Spooky. Now this is the cat I'm using, and I did get it in one pickup, which is a beautiful thing. Sorry I'm out of frame here, taking the excess off the stamper. But I got this in one pickup. Well, I am back. I'm back. I look up, because my camera here, what I'm doing is mirrored onto my tablet so I can see if I'm in frame and so forth and so on. Okay? I look up. I'm not filming. It shut itself off. Which is horrible. I'm not sure where we left off, but I picked up the double spider web. We're going to apply it on our nail. Oh, there we go, there we go. That is a great pickup. I am also, again, going to go in with the jet black sparkling pixie glitter. I'm going to add it to our spider web. I'm going to tap, 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 and once I feel that no more sticky is left, I'm going to slightly rub it in. Tap it off. Where is my brush? I found it, I found it. So there. We pause on the road. Okay, we are rolling. We are ready to top coat now. Here is my said manicure for Brandy's really super cool red little spiders. These are gonna be beautiful. I'm going to put them, of course, in the spider webs. I know this one has a spider in it already, but this is a bare one. Ha ha ha. This one I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the lamp. Oh shoot. Lamp isn't plugged in. Okay. Give your nail a nice coat. Don't worry, your glow in the dark is just fine. Just fine. So is your pixie glitters. Here are pumpkins. Should glow in the dark pumpkins too. I don't know what I was thinking. Not sure what I was thinking. Everything else should have glowed. Alright, oops, wrong side. There's our spider. Try and have a fly to put in there too. That would be so cool. That would be like super cool. Now, need my other nail so I can check this out where to put what. I want to put some bling on. Whoops. Oh, does that look cool? I'm not going to show you the nails. The thumb is glowing. Oh, I gotta put more top coat on them. Hello. I have to do this out of camera, put a little bit of top coat up at the cuticle area so I can put a red gem. Pinky as well. Oh, we cured that too. Got a little bit of top coat in there, smooth the gem around. Okay, here they are. I'm going to pop them in the lamp. I'm going to give these a full 60-second cure. And we'll be back in a flash. Alright, I'm taking the nails out of the lamp. Ta-da! Here is my glowing manicure using the She Moderns green and blue glow in the dark watercolor. And that is stunning. Look at the glow on those. I should have did the pumpkins too. I'm so bummed I didn't. Look at that thumbnail with the spider web. I think that was really cool with the spider web glowing. skull as well. Now, I forgot to tell you how much the spider webs are. You get 4 for $1.59, which I think is a great, great price. Especially since you get 4 of them. I've only used 2. I have 2 more that I can either save or use on another Halloween manicure this year, next year, whatever the case may be. But go check out BRC Nails Tips xpieces.com. She's got a lot of things, not just Halloween. She's got designer stuff. She's got all kinds of goodies on her website. So go check her out. Use my code CherieBaby10. Save yourself 10% off your bill. We will see you in our next Halloween manicure. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.